বিসমিল্লাহির রহমানির রহিম। প্রিয় শিক্ষার্থীরা, তোমরা যারা শিউর এ প্লাস বই থেকে একজন মিথ্যাবাদী রাখালের গল্পটি শিখতে যাচ্ছ, তাদের জন্য আমি উচ্চারণ বলে দিচ্ছি। চলো তাহলে উচ্চারণ শুরু করা যাক। Nobody believes a liar or a cowboy and a tiger or a liar shepherd. Once there lived a cowboy in a certain village. He used to tend his cows in a field near a forest. He was a liar. One day, to befool the people, he shouted, "Tiger, tiger, please help me." The simple villagers heard his cry and came running to help him. They found no tiger. The boy laughed at them. They got angry and went away. In this way, the boy made fun many a time and befooled the people working around him. At last, the people did not believe him anymore. But one day, a tiger really came, and the boy cried, "Tiger, tiger, help, help." The people heard his cry, but nobody came to save him. The tiger fell upon the boy and killed him. Actually, nobody believes a liar.